The cosmic form of Krishna, created approximately 1800 to 1900 in Rajasthan or Gujarat, India. Opaque watercolor and ink on cloth. Our audio begins with the object label, followed by an audio description. For those who worship him, Krishna is the supreme being, encompassing every aspect of the universe. In a famous passage of the great epic Mahabharata, Krishna allows the hero Arjuna to see him in his transcendent form. Devotees may see Krishna in his true form too, through meditation and visualization. Here, the immense form of the Supreme Krishna looms into space. The circle dance with the cowherd women is shown twice, on Krishna's lower body and again far above in his heaven. We are reminded that the dance of divine love takes place eternally in this celestial realm, while the earthly version happens at a particular moment and place. Audio description. Measuring about 4 feet tall by 3 feet wide, this vertically oriented depiction of the cosmic form of Krishna was painted with opaque watercolor and ink on cloth. It shows multiple images of the blue-skinned god Krishna and the cowherd women who dance with him. One immense form of Krishna fills a large vertical oval shape that dominates the painting. Outside the oval is a midnight blue background that extends to the edges of the painting. Inside the oval, the ground is a lush grass green. On top of this vertical oval are 2 smaller, about 1/8 the size, horizontal ovals with scenes inside. In the uppermost oval, we see a palace scene. A single form of Krishna occupies the center. Cowherd women dressed in gold garments circle him as they dance. In the slightly smaller horizontal oval below it, Krishna is seated in a palace flanked by worshippers. Inside the main vertical oval, the large Krishna has 7 heads. The head at the center faces the viewer and looks down. It is flanked by 3 heads on the left and 3 on the right, facing left and right respectively. The central head is surmounted by an elaborate gold crown, which houses a tiny scene of a god, likely Brahma, being honored by several devotees. This large Krishna has 10 blue bejeweled arms, dotted with eyes arrayed symmetrically on either side of his body. 2 arms hang down from his shoulders to about his waist, and 4 arms fan out from behind them on either side, from just above his shoulders to around his navel. All of the jeweled hands have long, relaxed fingers. On the tips of all of his fingers are animal heads. Most resemble cows, others appear to be deer, and some look like elephants. Mountains, temples, and palaces are arrayed on his torso. From below his navel to above his thighs is a circle within which the body reveals a landscape wherein Krishna and the cowherd women are arrayed in a circle. 4 white elephants march around the scene. Within the circle, Krishna and the cowherd women are engaged in a dance on the lush grass-green ground. 1 larger Krishna stands at the top of the dance circle. 7 Krishnas alternate with 2 women each around the circle. All of these figures are lavishly dressed and jeweled. On either side of the monumental Krishna's legs are rows of figures in white garments and saffron-colored turbans. They symbolize 2 opposing armies and reference the battlefield in the epic Mahabharata.